Meaning of eyelet.
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 Eyelet. An eyelet is a small, often metal, ring or grommet that is used to reinforce a hole or to create a new one. The eyelet has a flange or rim on one side, which is then bent over or hammered down after attaching it to a material, usually fabric or leather, to create a secure and finished edge. Eyelets are commonly used in clothing, shoes, belts, and other fashion accessories, as well as in industrial applications such as banners, tarps, and sails. They provide strength and durability to the material and can also add a decorative element.